This receiver is a LiftMaster 312 HM. You can see that I'm making a custom cable for it. It comes with its own wiring, but this is one of the extra things that we do to make sure that the receiver has a good connection to the gate operator control board. 9 times out of 10, when people call you, they're going to say the remotes don't work, and you need to be able to eliminate that sometimes false claim that the remotes aren't working. It could be something else, and make sure that you have your wiring done properly, which I do these custom cables here and make sure all my guys do these cables. We use these solderless terminal connectors by crimping them on there. And this gives us a good connection to the receiver. And then we have bare wire on the other end of what we call a whip. This is just a small low voltage whip. It's just a 4-conductor 18 gauge stranded cable. This one happens to be direct burial. You don't necessarily need the direct burial, but I like it because it has a durable jacket and will stand a lot of abuse. I have the USAutomatic terminal strip here, and I've stripped back the insulation on the conductors, and now I'm just plugging it in to the control board and making sure that we have a good connection. I like to do all these steps first before I even mount the arm or anything, because when I go to test the actuator arm, the extend and the retract, I want to be able to control it with the remote. Now, this is not something that you would want to do as an end user without having the proper safety devices installed, but as an installer for temporary purposes, it's not uncommon to do this, and it's something that I highly recommend do because it's a lot easier to get the installation done when you have that remote already programmed in.